First one. Then we'll put the hats back on. Hold on. We'll get the hats back on. We get the official one. Saturday on the Zone, 5 o'clock. There it is. Check him out. All right, now with the hats. Here we go. Ahora sí. Ponte la gorra. Come on. Tom Hogan's got to get the good picture right there, right? There it is. That exchange. They're still going to knock each other out. 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time on the Zone, Crypto.com Arena. Abejón, Javier Fortuna, Ryan Garcia. Check that out Saturday night.
Boogeyman slave.
Yeah, boogeyman.
I slayed the boogeyman. I'm not scared of the boogeyman. I never been scared of the boogeyman. As a kid, I've never been scared.
Never.
I'm like, dog.
Never.
Yeah, let's get it.
Never. All right,
I'm the boogeyman. I'm the boogeyman slave. I slayed the boogeyman. I scared the boogeyman. Y'all boogeyman scared me.
There it is. Saturday night live on the Zone. Ryan Garcia, 22-0, 19 KOs. Javier Fortuna, 37, 3-1, 26 KOs of himself. Broadcast gets going at 1:30 in the afternoon. Dominican Republic, Victorville, California. All right, there you go, there you go. There it is. We'll see him Saturday.